Hey everybody, the Uuni 3 pizza oven has come in, so we're going to do a quick unboxing, take a look at what's inside, how much setup we have, and hopefully by tonight we'll be cooking up a pizza. I've been also experimenting with different 00 flours, so I'm really excited to see what the Uuni will do for us. So let's get unpacking. Great looking packaging here. You can see the Uuni. Pretty small, compact little piece. From online I could tell it was quite small. It's a little smaller than I had even anticipated, but yeah, I'm excited about the portability of this. It's something I can just have out on the back deck and move around. Got some instructions. Looks like it's the pizza pill, a metal pizza pill. Various reviews I've seen on this. Most people decided to pick up a traditional wood pill, but I'm going to go ahead and give the metal pill a try for a while, and if needed, we'll add the metal pill or the wood pill. So this looks like it's going to be the stone. So the Uuni has a pizza stone insert. Looks like that's what that piece is. So we have the pill and the stone there, and instructions. And then it looks like the oven itself. So you can see it is fairly compact here. This looks like a heat shield. So that's really everything in the box. There's the unit itself, and some components inside. So this looks like it's probably the chimney that sits up there. These other components are most likely the firebox that sits on the back. The Uuni is a wood pellet driven grill, and one of the reasons I went with this is that I've already got a Traeger out back, so I have a stockpile of wood pellets. This should be able to burn the Traeger pellets really nicely, so we can get up and running very quick, and I can double up on my investment in wood pellets for my outdoor Traeger grill. So that's it. I'm going to take a few minutes, assemble this together, give you a shot of it and what it looks like fully assembled, and once we get some dough going, we can throw a pizza in here and give it a test run. See you back in a few minutes. Hopefully this is a quick install. Okay, I've got everything unpacked, and what I think I mentioned was the heat shield is actually the front door, the door to the oven. There is a heat shield. And it was located within one of the other boxes. So in the boxes we have the chimney with a cap for it. It also serves as a scoop for your pellets. There's some component parts to the firebox itself, and some handles and some other components. It looks fairly straightforward. Just a few pieces, a couple screws. It came with an Allen wrench. Looks like 6 screws, so hopefully the install is easy. There is an instruction book, lays out all of the parts and the piece-by-piece instructions for putting it together, so let's cross our fingers and hope this is a quick build. it's all put together. It took me about 10-12 minutes. Probably would have been faster. I made a few mistakes along the way. Honestly, getting the handle on the door is the hardest part. But, it's together and ready to go, and look for a future video. We're going to run a couple different pizza doughs through it, put this to the test, and we'll give a review of the results. Thanks for watching.